Hi friends, now I will show you how to fix an error in Terminal Linux Ubuntu, which sounds like user is not in the sudoers file. This incident will be reported. User is not in the sudoers file simply means that user is not in the sudoers file. This is the file that defines the user and user group privileges to perform sudo-related tasks. To fix this, we need to add the user directly to the sudoers file. So we need to switch to the root user, since seat home in my case cannot perform any administrative tasks. Open terminal, and write suroot. Open. After switching, let's edit the sudoers file with nano. This is a text editor that allows you to edit files from the command line. Type in terminal. Nano, etc. sudoers. Now the sudoers file is ready to be edited. So let's add a line under the user privileges specification. This is intended to give the system user the super user privileges mentioned above. Root, all user, all. All now user can perform tasks that require root access. Shortly after making changes, we need to save the changes and exit the text editor. To do this, we press Ctrl plus X to exit, Y to save and enter to submit respectively. Finally, we can log out of the root session. Let's test it out. Run the sudo ls command. And as you can see, everything works fine. I hope you got it working. If you have any problems, feel free to post them in the comments. Also, I will be grateful to you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Good luck and bye.